Hi guys, I want to show you how to do a mono or stereo bus send and how to do pre or post. So let's select a channel. We got all our channels here. We'll do kick channel 1. See what you want to do to go pre or post. You know, pre-fader or post-fader. They call it tap is pre-fader and post is, after the fader. So red are all my pre-faders, so I can, adjust my house and it won't adjust the bus send here. But this one, it will. When I adjust the house fader, it's post fader, so it'll adjust the effects. So what you do is you go to whatever bus you want to adjust and you press the tap button or the post button, and you can select which one you want it to be. So now I've made this post fader, so when I move the house up and down, it will control the send to the monitor. You don't want that. Or people's ears. They don't want you mixing their ears when you're doing house most of the time. So we'll go back to tap on this, so it's pre-fader. Or you can link the channel to the house. So when I do that, the stereo panning of the fader of the channel goes to the bus. I don't want to do that either. So let's just leave that in tap for now, so you can see those are all tap or pre. Another thing I wanted to show you is it's confusing. This board can do stereo or mono buses. So I'm going to go and hit the bus master down here, and let's select bus 1. This board's only set up for a couple monitors. That's my starting scene. Well, here's bus 1. Well, when it comes all stereo, right? Every bus is stereo, and you can get confused. So let's go down here to the let's show you up here. That's where you select if it's a mono bus or a stereo bus. It comes like that, so it comes stereo. You'd think it would say stereo, no, but you just hit that. Watch what happens when I leave it in stereo. We're going to go to routing, and in the routing here, we're in our output group. Here's our buses. Look at that, one left, one right. So if I wanted to do like a stereo set of ears, I'd have to use this jack, it would be left, and that jack, output 2, I would make it right. So that 1 and 2 is stereo. Well, I'm not going to be doing that here. Maybe 8 and 9, you got to do even odds. So it'd be 5 and 6 can be stereo, or 6 and 7. Maybe I do some like stereo ears or a stream send on 8 and 9 or something, for example. But I want it mono. So we go back to that channel, the bus 1 channel, and I make it mono. Now we go back to routing, and you can see there's no more left or right. It has 16 outputs. They show you 32 here because you can do 16 outputs mono, or of course 16 stereo outputs, which will require 32 outputs. So that's why they give you the screen there. That's how you do it. Took me a while to figure it out. It's a lot different than X32, M32, but really cool. Thanks.